Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my room. So in order to kind of bring you guys along, I'm gonna show you my room first, like how it looks like right now. Yeah, let's start. So this is my door. It looked a lot nicer like 2 months ago. I don't know what happened to it, but we're gonna fix that up. My mirror, I'm gonna clean that because there's a bunch of fingerprints on it. This is my closet socks that, you know, I can put over here. That needs to be cleaned up. This is like okay, kind of, and then over here it just kind of becomes lopsided, so I'm gonna fix that up as well. My bed is a big mess. This is my window that I love so very much. It's my bed. It looks kind of ugly, so I'm gonna like fold that front part over, and then here is the main area where I usually am. My desk, as you can tell, it looks very, you know, not right, and I need to dust that area, and I need to dust this area as well. So let's get started. So I got it to just like look like this. I don't really know what to do with it, honestly. It doesn't look cluttered anymore, so I think, you know, it actually does kind of look, but if I put this over here, okay, I think that looks a lot less cluttered. Okay, so good. Now I'm going to move on to my closet, and I'm just gonna throw all these. I'm gonna start off with this section. I'm just gonna like kind of coordinate it, put the button-ups and like shirts at the beginning, and then all the outerwear and sweaters at the end. My closet with like all of my sweaters and stuff gone except for this part. So I have like my old winter coat in here that I wear when it becomes like extremely cold, like -40 type, and I'm just gonna leave that there. I have my tote bags that I rarely use now because I can't go out, and I have another winter coat when it's like kind of like just a fall coat, so I'm just gonna leave that here as well. But then this area, I had another video where I was like cleaning it out, and that kind of got ruined, and this condo stuff kind of got ruined as well. So I think I'm gonna leave this area because it's my dresses and I can't really do much with them. But hey, it's a Blackpink, and yes. Okay, so I really thought that I was done my closet, but I still have this gross area and this bottom thing to do. Okay, so I actually already organized like this area, container drawer thing, so I'm just gonna, I think I'm done the closet. So this is my closet. Okay, now this is kind of bothering me, but so this is my closet. Okay, that's kind of, oh damn it. I think I'd be a lot more like satisfied if this is more uniform looking, so I'm just gonna fix that up. So we are done with the closet. Okay, so that's, yeah, that, yay! Okay, His clothes are up. Actually, never mind. I still have a bunch of clothes on my table. I mean my chair. This, yeah, I need to. So I'm putting the stuff that's, you know, smells bad in the hamper. It's just over there. I don't think you guys want to see it. Okay, so my closet is done and I'm gonna close it up. Next is my desk. So this is my desk area. This is where I spend most of my time, either just like studying or, you know, watching YouTube videos. So like, yeah, we might need, yes, we're gonna need to organize that. I don't know why I have a laundry sheet. So I organized them by putting the highlighters here, and I just have the Staedtler pens at the bottom and some pens below here. So this is my main desk compartment. I have like the white cards, what are they called? The white cards, I don't know what they're called, some math stuff, calculators, more calculators, and my camera stuff. And I have like my phone cases and like electronic things, notepads, craft stuff, accessories, and Polaroid. For this area, I'm just going to take everything off and then I'm going to wipe it down and then I'm going to reorganize everything in there. I am nasty. The last place that I have to clean up is this area, but I don't want to, but I have to because it's like the place that I neglected the most. It's kind of gross. You can't, the camera doesn't really pick it up that well, but it's very dusty. Why did I accumulate this much dust? Okay, so after cleaning for about 2.5 hours, I guess, I cleaned and I got somewhere and I'm proud of myself. So my room is a lot more clean now. It's definitely less dusty. It's more shiny and my floors are clear. And my closet is not. I lost just a little bit of motivation while filming this because I didn't want to clean that top part over there and this part. There was just like way too many things to do. I'm going to show you guys my room and let's go. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it helps you. I'm going to sign off now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please comment what you want to see next and bye bye.